I gotta try to get at least one picture, right? It's gonna be a Photogromer adventure without one. Hey Evan, I'm gonna hop up here real quick. Don't pull up. Oh, hey. Started moving. Damn, that's fucking sick. Alright, let's get my ISO down. Alright, this is gonna be wild, guys. Enjoy the show. SBK, spring break, baby. 2019. Thanks, homie. Thank Wheelie and me. Oh, we're getting straight on the interstate? Alright, I gotta try third gears in. Oh no! He's doing foot drags and shit. Alright, let's get some pictures. Thank Willie, ladies and gentlemen, in fucking Dallas. And then we got Lewis. Come back! Yeah, that goes here. Holy shit. By the way, Team Snap, elephant.
I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby.
Damn. Fucking quad out here too. This dude just pulling over. Says fuck all that. Oh, there's the cops. The cops are now at the front of the pack. Uh-oh. There's Dallas, please. Look at that fucking sight. Oh my god. Oh, this car just stopped. That's safe. Just fucking stop in the middle of the road. I see smoke up there, so someone's doing a burnout. Dallas cop is in the shoulder trying to blast his way up to the front. There's like 3 lanes of traffic of cars. This is fucking wild, man. We're so spread out. As far as back I can see, there's cars and bikes. This is fucking wild. Hey, Lubbock, Texas. I think that Dallas cop was just trying to get to a call. Pity Squad. That's the first pit bike I've seen. Come here, homie. Love seeing pit bikes out here. I wonder where Lewis is. Oh shit, we gotta crash. Keep going, keep going. Don't get rear-ended, keep going. Don't stop. Somebody went down hard, but yeah, as soon as everyone slams on the brakes, that's how shit happens. Alright, now we can take some pictures. Hopefully whoever went down's alright. I couldn't really see. There was just so many brakes happening, and then the people in the back that don't see the brake lights. Yeah, that could be bad. I just fucking cruised right through that. Get the fuck out of Dodge. And you're trying to get a fucking CBR in my butthole. Can you imagine being in that airplane looking down and seeing this shit? What a clusterfuck. Look at this shit. What a fucking cluster. Like California. No biggie. Oh shit, we're going by where the where JFK was shot. Look, JFK was killed right here. Boom. Gotta get a couple wheelies in here today. There's the big lot that we're going to. I've seen these in videos. Hold up with it, got my back on pippin', bitch. I'm back in kitchens with the tray, bitch. Fuck yeah. Oh fuck. This is nuts. Nope. That was embarrassing. Nope, let's not do that, Eric. I wonder where Lewis is. Hopefully he survived. Damn, there's like bricks and shit here. So shout out to the Slow Fast crew for getting us out here, and obviously everyone else for the hospitality. It's pretty amazing. I don't want to fall off that shit though. No, 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 no. Do my slow ground wheelies. Lewis! You're alive! What's up, bud? You survived! I was trying to get to the front the whole time. I was in there somewhere. It's just fucking nuts, dude.
It's awesome.
Ow. Freak a fucking angle. Oh shit. Oh no, and a fucking flip. I can do a sit down, and that's it. That's all I got. Sorry guys. I can turn my handlebars like that and go boop, 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 boop. And boop, 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 boop. And then boop, 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 boop. That's all I got. Boop, 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 boop.
You already know who it is. Your boy, Photogromer.
Don't make this, I'm my business, that chicken like what's gonna be.
Hey, give me those back. Those are expensive.
True in the cut, ain't
Circle this bitch.
when I tell a big piece. Love is love.
Nope.
Love is love. Hold up with it, got my back on pimpin', bitch. I'm back in kitchens with the track. Black, my skin is the shorty in it from a J. Swishy, she got vision just like any women giving me the kid. Way before the riches, nothing more than mention. I can light a block of powder or a blister pouring on my body. That's a Gora linen.
Ooh, all right. Ride is done. Pretty short ride, all highway. A little crazy. Tried to take some photos, but I forgot to check my manual focus switch on the lens, so it was in manual focus for the whole ride. So that means that whatever was in the focal length, that's a fucking prison right there. That's a prison right there. They're looking out getting a show. Damn, it's a good day for them. Anyway, pictures probably didn't turn out, but that's all right. Good ride, couple crashes. I just saw the aftermath, but it was pretty chill. I mean, highway, the biggest thing was there was a lot of cars in the mix, but they kind of figured it out. A couple cars just stopped on the highway. That just fucking froze. But we got the Groms lined up. I think we'll do a quick little picture. And from here, everyone kind of breaks off, does their own thing. So we're gonna do the picture and we'll pick it up back on the road on a new video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give a like down below. Shout out to the Slow Fast crew and the Stay Broke crew and everyone else that put this on. Evan Careless, Subimoto for having me on the podcast. Yeah, it was good times. All right, we'll pick it up on the road with a new video.